Yeah, just give me one. Holy fuck. Hi. I'm sorry. You're like hot as fuck.
Bad bitch, ass fat, 40-inch hair, yours came in the back. Camera so fat you can see it from the back. Go bad bitch, go bad bitch, go. Go bad bitch, go bad bitch, go. Go bad bitch, go bad bitch, go. It's Hot Girl Summer, like if you agree.
Yeah, hit them balls. Hit them balls.
Stop, the video's probably so stupid.
Sai, tá ficando doido? Quem tá acontecendo aqui, amor?
Tá engasgada, cara.
Vai, amor, ajuda ela. Vai, amor, ajuda ela.
Tô engasgada o quê, homem?
Tá engasgada.
Já tá melhor, amiga?
Tá
Tô
melhor?
ótima.
Que bom.
Baby, I'm using your toothbrush because I can't find mine.
Wait, you using, that's my toothbrush?
Yeah?
Oh my God, you didn't even ask.
I don't think you would care.
You didn't think I could, oh my God. Don't, you better not gag. You bet.
I don't gag.
Oh my.
Back the fuck up. When did this become a whorehouse?
Hey, can I get a bowl?
Oh, yeah, sure. You need a spoon too?
Yeah.
Okay.
A ver tus dedos. Qué bonitos dedos. ¿Me los metes?
Baby, I love you. I'll be right back.
Alright, later. Oh shit. You better not snitch on me.
I'm not gonna say a word.
Oh, hey, Susan. Oh, yeah, I'm with my main right now, but I can text you maybe around later. Yeah, we can hang out later, you know? You're so beautiful. Like, you're actually so beautiful.
Hey, babe.
What?
You need to put him in check.
What do you mean?
No.
You need to put him in check. He
For
was
what?
just talking to a girl.
I wasn't,
You were freaking
bro, I
talking to a girl?
wasn't. I
I
literally...
don't believe you. Like, what do you mean? Who's Suzanne then?
Suzanne, babe. Freaking Suzanne again. You're freaking ex. You're freaking talking to your ex. What the fuck?
You guys told me he was there. Nobody's there. Who keeps doing that? And I lost my glasses. Now I can't see.
Baby, I'm using your toothbrush because I can't find mine.
Wait, you using, that's my toothbrush?
Yeah?
Oh my God, you didn't even ask.
I don't think you would care.
You didn't think I could, oh my God. Don't, you better not gag. You bet.
I don't gag.
Oh my.
Man, don't jump at me like that, bro. I think you're gonna pop me to punch you or shot you, nigga. What are you doing?
Quick, do me a favor right quick. Oh, she's a feisty one, mate. Do me a favor. Throw this on the grill for me right quick. Throw this on the grill for me. Somebody broke in my house and stole my whole fucking kitchen.
You're crazy. I like that.
Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Can we get one of these?
Oh my gosh.
You don't have a truck. You don't need it.
Hey, Mom.
How about that?
You don't have a trailer.
What?
I don't understand. Like, that's not stuff that you need.
I don't want to get anything. I feel gross. I want to get out of here. I don't look good today. Like, I feel tired. My eyes feel weird.
You look tired this morning.
You don't look at me anymore.
Okay, I don't.
You never look at me anymore.
Yo, jeez.
Bro, I gotta poop.
Who was that? Hello? Who was that?
Hey, Aiden, you want some Gatorade?
Dude, I would love some Gatorade, dude.
Yeah, it's right behind you. You want to just grab it from me?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what's wrong?
What do you want?
Baby, look in your hand.
What is
Here,
it?
baby, get up slowly, okay? Hey, I'm gonna take you to the dentist. We're gonna get everything fixed. What? Okay, no, baby. Shh. Okay, just relax. Okay, I'm gonna show you, okay? Okay.
Стой. Ты уронил.
О, у тебя упало.
Спасибо большое.
Держишь?
Айфон еще же.
Нет, ничего не было.
У нее еще айфон.
Слышь, убрал руки, кто? У кого айфон?
Не, подождите, ребят, смотрите, я не слепой, снимаю специальный инструмент, она взяла айфон, вот айфон, зачем так делать?
Ты что, воруешь, гонишь?
Honey, 4 bottles of shampoo in 1 week. I can't take this no more.
No one told you to have a 10K.
Line up! You guys don't know how to use shampoo? This is all you need. See that? See that? It's not very difficult, see? Look at the lather. Look at the lather. Look at the lather.